Gotta sit back, honey.
Huh? Wait ka ng proper. Proper doesn't have accommodation.
What's that?
Proper Taboylan, improper Taboylan, there's no accommodation. Wait ka ng.
Ah, well.
So we stay here? We stay in here?
Sa mga dumping sa Baybazog.
Sige.
Yeah, we'll keep going.
Okay.
Keep going. As we continue our journey down the northwest coast of Cebu, we're not far away from reaching our destination for the day. So we've got a few more towns we have to ride through, and I think we may go past the road that we have to take tomorrow over the mountain range to go to the other side of Cebu, so I'll keep an eye out for that. But yeah, so far so good. Been pretty easy riding. A few more trucks on the way, but anyway, that's okay. It wasn't so bad. These dump trucks that you see, you'll be surprised where you see them. They come out of, I've seen them on dirt roads that are mountain roads. They're just, it's amazing where they drive them. But anyway, I suppose they've got a job to do, so yeah. Anyway, we'll probably see a few more of them on the way. That looks like an NW financial services building. Pretty big for this area. Don't often see it that big. Don't know what this is, a warehouse or what it is. NW is the largest non-banking financial services in the Philippines. The son of the owner was Michael J. Luelia. He's the CEO. Yeah, so he runs the show, and they also own the zoo that's in Cebu. They built the zoo up to showcase animals from overseas, and it's become a bit of a tourist attraction. Earlier on in the piece, some of the episodes that I put on, we went up to the zoo, but I didn't have any footage. The footage was pretty bad, so I didn't use a lot of it. A bit of a learning curve with all the cameras. Yeah, so it must looks like this hasn't been long built, so anyway, that's a bit of useless information for everyone, but got to talk about something. cousin. Wire hanging down out of the tree, a bit dangerous. Well, I like to stay in the middle of the road, but can't always stay in the middle of the road. There's traffic coming towards you. But they hang things out of the bloody trees, like these wires. Wouldn't want one to catch under me helmet peak. Wouldn't be much fun. Rip me friggin' head off. He came out of nowhere. Do I need fuel? No, I think I'll be right. It's pretty economical, this thing. Been a fairly uneventful ride so far down here. Nothing really to report. Looking forward to it tomorrow, actually, when we ride over the mountain on the Asturias Road, which takes us right across the top down to Danau. That'll be a little bit different. Hopefully it doesn't rain, because I really don't know the condition of the road. We believe it's gravel, but how much of a mountain goat track it's going to be, we don't know. Not until we get on it and try. Not many people. A lot of people do shortcuts from this side over to Danau, because Danau port is a fairly busy port, plus the city itself offers a lot more than what they can get on this side. But yeah, it'll be interesting to see what happens, especially for this thing, because we're two up and fully loaded and got road tyres, so we don't want to experience mud or anything like that, but we'll just have to wait and see.